Do you have DPDR from recreational drugs, stress, extreme stress, or trauma? Is the anxiety driving you nuts? Do you feel powerless and maybe even depressed? The DPDR in itself, the feeling unreal, the mist, the brain fog, the feeling sleeping or dead, like you're in a 2D world. You can't recognize yourself, or can't recognize your family members, or can't connect with them. Yes, this is DPDR, and thousands of people have been there before you. I've treated hundreds and thousands of people, and have done it for so long that I've actually decided to make a video self-help course with all the steps that you need to go through to heal yourself. If you're interested in this video self-help course with the very detailed plan on how to heal, this is the place. There's two versions. There is only the videos, and there's videos with a number of sessions. If you're interested, please click on the link in the description below.